Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Health Beauty Secrets. Before we begin, we publish new content regularly, so be ready to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest video. Today, in this video, we will discuss 5 healthy smoothies for weight loss. Let's start. The first one is cinnamon strawberry smoothie. The ingredients we required for the smoothie are 1 cup frozen strawberries, half teaspoon ground cinnamon, half cup orange juice, 1 container vanilla non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 small ripe banana, 1 tablespoon honey. Why it works? Due to the medicinal properties of cinnamon, it has been used for years. It is beneficial as an anti-inflammatory and helps in the digestion process. Second, banana pineapple smoothie. The ingredients we required for this smoothie are 1 banana, 1 cup pineapple, 2 cup spinach, 1 apple, half to 1 cup water. Why it works? Bananas are rich in nutrients but less in calories and fat that will keep you full for longer. Besides this, pineapples helps in the digestion process and decrease inflammation. Together, these are beneficial in weight loss. Third, ginger and turmeric tropical smoothie. The ingredients required for this smoothie are half teaspoon each ground turmeric, ginger, cinnamon and cardamom, 1 teaspoon flaxseed, 1 cup almond milk, half cup fresh or frozen mango chunks, 1 teaspoon honey, and that is optional ingredient, half fresh or frozen banana, half cup ice cube, that is optional also. Why it works? Ginger is a weight loss food for a number of reasons. It aids in burn down calories and control the hunger. The tropical buzz of this smoothie comes from mango chunks. Due to the nutritional value of mango, there is no doubt. Mango is an incredible source of minerals and vitamins. Fourth, avocado and spinach smoothie. The ingredients we required for this smoothie are 1 cup of spinach, 1 avocado, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 cup low-fat milk or water, 1 banana. Why it works? Avocado helps in lower your blood cholesterol levels and burn fat. It improves nutrient absorption in a meal which can help reduce hunger. Further, 1 ounce of serving of avocado contains 150 mg of potassium and 8% of your daily value of fiber. Fifth and the last one is blueberry smoothie. The ingredients we required for this smoothie are 1 to 2 cups frozen blueberries, 3/4 cup vanilla Greek yogurt, 1 to 2 cups almond milk, 1 banana half. Why it works? The Greek yogurt's protein reduces your appetite and saves you from overeating, and the berries provide antioxidants. If you like this video, like, share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty videos. Let us know in the comments below on which topic you want to get information. Thank you.